Everyone, this is Ayush Bharti from BCA PPU third year batch 1, and today I have created a simple and very important project using PHP and MySQL. This project demonstrates the very basic operation which is important for any web development application, which is CRUD operation, which stands for create, read, update and delete. And this is the backbone of every web development application, such as e-commerce website, admin dashboard and many more. And here you can see that this is the user list where I will add the users, and users details will be displayed here. So first I have to add the user. Here I have filled the details of the user, and when I click the register, then it will submit it to the database, and we can see the user is added to this page here. And we can also edit the user. If there is some changes, like I have to change the username, then we can change. And when I update the page, it will redirect to the user list page. And here the user list is updated, and we can also delete the user by by selecting one by one, and we can delete the user in many user in one time. Like we can delete the multiple users. And here is the code of my project, where I have first connected to the database, and I have used the HTML for designing the all pages. This is the edit page, and I can show you the database as well. So here this is the database, where you can see that the one user is displayed here. So thank you very much. This is all from my side.